Mutual inductance. When supply is given to one coil and EMF is induced in another coil is the coupling circuit. This property of the coil is called mutual inductance, like this circuit. The two circuits placed together or closed together, like this derivation. Here current I1 is supplied coil 1, the EMF is induced in another coil, that means coil 2. The mutual inductance M, that is mentioned by letter M. Derivation, let us consider the coupled circuit with supply, that means flux is produced coil 1 and linkage with coil 2. Here, where phi 1 is equal to phi 2. Magnetic flux in coil 1 and coil 2 respectively. Pi 1 and pi 2 is equal to magnetic flux in coil 1 and coil 2 respectively. N1 and N2 number of turns in coil 1 and coil 2. I1 and I2 current in coil 1 and coil 2. Mutual inductance, mutually induced EMF E12 or E21. Consider here the ability of the coil 1 produce an EMF in coil 2 is termed as mutually induced EMF. Here the current flow through the coil 1 is produced flux in the coil 2. That's why you're going to write the E12 proportional to d pi 12 divided by dt, or same. Now I am going to remove the propagation here, that's why we need one constant. E12 is equal to N2 into d pi 12 by dt. Same, E12 proportional to, that means I directly proportional to the flux. So E12 is proportional to di1 divided by dt. Here also I am going to remove the propagation here, that's why E12 is equal to, we need one constant here, M12 di1 divided by dt. Here you mention E12 M12 di1 divided by dt. Why you put d1 I1 means, here see this circuit, we apply I1 current through the coil 1, so the I1 current produce the flux in coil 2. That's why we write here di1 divided by dt. This is considered as a equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4 you write here N2 d by 12 divided by dt is equal to M12 di1 divided by dt. Integrating on both sides we get this answer. So M12 is equal to N2 pi 12 I1, M21 is equal to, similarly 21 is equal to N1 pi 21 divided by I2. You consider the same circuit for the next, this case. This you consider, this one is case 1. So second case, case 2, you get this answer, but in here M12, here M21. You draw like you draw the circuit. This is case 1 circuit. Case 2 circuit you draw like this. The source is connected in second coil. This is coil 2. This one is coil 1. The source is connected to second coil. Here I2 current, here I1 current. This I2 current is induced to this coil 1. I2 current is flow through the coil 2. This current induced the flux in coil 1. That's why you get this answer. Next topic, coefficient of coupling K or coefficient of magnetic coupling. So coefficient of coupling means the fraction of total flux produced by one coil linking another coil is called coefficient of coupling. So now K mentioned, the coefficient of coupling is mentioned by letter K. K is equal to pi 1 2 divided by pi 1, pi 2 1 divided by pi 2. So you already see in the coupling circuit, the amount of flux linking with coil 2 against the total flux produced in coil 1. In order to find K, let M12 xm M12 xm, that means either mutual inductance xm21. So M12 21 is equal to, you already know this value, know this equation in mutual inductance. So you write the N2 pi 1 to I1, N1 pi 21 by I2. So M12 M21 is equal to M, mutual inductance. So you get here. So M12 is equal to M means M into M square here. So M square is equal to, you already know this, K is equal to pi 1 2 divided by pi 1 is equal to K pi 1. So substitute here N2 into K pi 1, N1 into K pi 2. So I divided by I1 divided by I2. M square is equal to, you take away common value of K. So N2 pi 1 divided by I1, N1 pi 2 divided by I2 into K square. K into K, K square. So M square is equal to, consider this value. This is self-inductance of the coil. So if this one is L1, this one is L2 into K square. So K is equal to M divided by square root of L1 into L2. K is always less than, so M less than or equal to square root of L1 L2. So that's why K is always less than unity and maximum value is 1. So okay students, thank you. Go through sums in the third unit notes. If you have any doubt, contact me.